Ancient giant creature. Number 7. Therizinosaurus. Unveiling the mysteries of Therizinosaurus, the scythe-like dinosaur. Therizinosaurus, a name that translates to scythe lizard or reaping lizard, is a dinosaur that has fascinated paleontologists and dinosaur enthusiasts alike. This enigmatic creature, with its distinctive claws and unusual appearance, has been the subject of much debate and research. In this article, we will delve into the world of Therizinosaurus, exploring its physical characteristics, diet, habitat, and the latest discoveries. Therizinosaurus was a theropod dinosaur that lived during the late Cretaceous period, around 75 to 71 million years ago. Its physical characteristics are a testament to its unique nature. The most striking feature of Therizinosaurus is its claws, which were extremely long and slender, measuring up to 3 feet, 90 centimeters, in length. These claws were likely used for defense, gathering plants, and possibly even combat. In addition to its impressive claws, Therizinosaurus had a relatively small skull, narrow and elongated, and a long, slender neck. Its body was bulky, lightly covered in feathers, and it had powerful legs and feet, with 3 clawed toes. Therizinosaurus was likely a herbivore, using its claws to gather and process plant material. Its digestive system may have been specialized, allowing it to break down and extract nutrients from plant material. However, some researchers have suggested that it may have been omnivorous or insectivorous, sparking debate about its dietary habits. Therizinosaurus likely lived in a forest or woodland habitat, using its claws and long neck to navigate and gather food. It may have lived in small herds or been a solitary animal, although the exact nature of its social behavior is still a topic of research. The first Therizinosaurus fossils were discovered in 1948 in Mongolia. Since then, several other fossils have been found, although the fossil record is still limited. The discovery of Therizinosaurus has contributed significantly to our understanding of dinosaur diversity and the evolution of theropod dinosaurs. Interesting facts. Therizinosaurus was initially classified as an ornithischian, but later reclassified as a theropod. Its claws were thought to belong to a giant turtle when they were first discovered. Therizinosaurus has been featured in various documentaries and films, including Walking with Dinosaurs and Dinosaur Train. Therizinosaurus is a dinosaur that continues to fascinate and intrigue us. Its unique appearance, combined with its likely herbivorous diet and specialized digestive system, make it a standout among other dinosaurs. Note: the article is based on the information provided earlier, and the references are fictional, used only for demonstration purposes.